Hi there! My Digidogi is not as young like 100 years ago, so I decided to make ball riser for her. I noticed that she can now much easier eat or drink, so if you've got a bigger dog or older one, then this idea could be very good. You can find free files for 3D printer in description, or I can print it for you. There are a couple designs to choose from, like different height or tilt. Anyway, you will need 3 parts. For big riser use PLA, it has to be rigid. And for 2 anti-sliding rubber thingies use TPU. Size calculation is very simple. Measure outside lower diameter of the ball. Let's say it's 21 cm. Now open file in 3D Slicer and change the scale. Stock value is 100%, so for 21 cm ball you have to scale it up to 210%. If you need smaller, like 8 cm, then scale it down to 80%. Very simple. Some extra tip you can place inside some extra weight or even rock. It will prevent riser from sliding. If you have any questions, leave it in comment section. I will back to you and try to help. See you in next one.